Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to NIPS Home School. Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty. I am also fine. This is Kamrun, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. My dear students of class 5, today I am going to take your Bangladesh and Global Studies class. And our today's topic is Chapter 10. That means Democratic Attitude. And today we will discuss Topic 1 or Lesson 1. That means we will know how we will practice democracy at school. So all of you take your Bangladesh and Global Studies book and go to page number 78. Let's start our class. Chapter 10, Democratic Attitude, page number 78. Page number 78. And the first topic is, or the first lesson is at school. Now look at the first line. The word democracy means rule by the people. So what is the word democracy means? Rule by the people. So the word means rule by the people. That means the people will take part in the election and they will choose their representative and then they will send them to the Sanshad, or they will select their own government. Okay, they will send it to our parliament or our Sanshad Bhavan, and that is called democracy. That means you will take the opinion of the all people and then then you will take decisions on the basis of the majority opinions. So this is called democracy. Now look, the word democracy means rule by the people. That means people are the people are in the main power of democracy, and ours is a democratic country. We all know about it because each 5 years there is an election and the people who can cast vote, that means who are more than 18 years old, they can give their vote, valuable vote, and they can choose their own representative, and then those representatives will go to our parliament and they will govern our country. That means they will form a government. So this is the system of our country and we follow the democracy to rule our country. Now look, if people are involved in decisions, they are more likely to support the result. So why democracy is needed? That means if people are involved in decisions, that means if people involve them, involve them in taking decisions, they will support the result. So there will not be any chaos. Democratic value means respecting on others' opinion and taking decision based on the opinions of the majority. So I have told you, you will take the decision of the opinions of the majority. So this is called democracy. So you can underline this sentence. Democratic value means respecting on others' opinion and taking decision based on the opinions of the majority. That means you will respect the opinions of the others. There might be different opinions, so you will choose the we will take our decisions on the basis of the opinions of the majority. This is called democratic value. This is called democratic attitude. So this is the definition of democratic value or democratic opinion. So these two lines are very important for your short question or for fill in the blanks or for matching. So all of you learn this. Now there is an example of taking democratic decision in school. So this box is also very important. Question might come. Write the 4 steps or 5 steps to choose your or to select your class captain, or how you will practice democracy in your school. Now look, so you will learn this box also. You will go through this box also. Now look, read this account of reaching such a decision in school. Our class needed 2 new class captains. You can think or suppose 2 class captains are needed in your class. The teacher asked which students were willing to stand. 5 students said they were willing, but there were only 2 posts. So now look, there are only 2 posts and 5 students wanted to be the class captain. So there is a problem. Whom should we select? So that's why we need democracy. Now look, the teacher had an idea. I mean, teacher fall in trouble. How will he choose 2 students among 5 students? All our students, all are capable to become a class captain. So he had an idea. He wrote the names of the interested students on the board. He gave the whole class 2 pieces of paper and told them to write down 2 names and drop the papers in a box. So the teacher write the name of the 5 students on the board, and then he gave 2 pieces of paper each students and tell them to write 2 names on that paper and drop the paper in a box. After everyone had cast their votes, the teacher opened the papers and counted the votes. So after everyone casting their votes, the teacher now opened the box and then they count the votes. That means each student gave their valuable vote to select their class captain. Then he wrote the numbers on the board beside each name. So there are 5 names on the board, and now the teacher wrote the numbers of the boards, numbers of the votes beside the name of the each student. The one who received the highest votes was made class captain 1, and the one who got the second highest votes was made class captain 2. So the students who got the highest vote, he became the class captain number 1, and the students who got the second highest votes, he or she was elected or selected as class captain 2. Everyone accepted these 2 leaders happily. The election was based on the opinions of the majority. So now everyone selected them very happily because all of the students gave their opinion, valuable opinions. That means the election was based on the opinions of the majority of the students. That's why the students felt valuable. They gave their own opinion, they select their own leader. That's why they are happy. Teacher can select 2 captain, but on this situation, what will happen? The students cannot take part. That means they will not accept their leader happily. But now what happened? They took part in the election, and the result goes on the opinions of the majority of the students. So they accepted their leaders happily. Now look, this part is very important. Other similar situations in school could include. So in these 3 situations, there are 3 examples. In these 3 situations, you can also take decision by democracy. Now look, these 3 situations are important. How to arrange the classroom, organizing sports programs, electing a group leader. So in these 3 situations, you can also take decisions following the democratic attitude. That means you can discuss to the students, and you can take the vote how you will arrange the classroom. You can also take the board organizing sport programs. That means how you will organize sport programs. If you want to take some decisions, you will follow this democratic rule, democratic process, and every student will be happy. That means every student will take part in the decision, and they can deny, and the majority opinion will be granted. So dear students, these 3 points are very important. Very often question can come, short question or matching or filling the blanks, or broad questions, or for a part of a broad question can come. So all of you will learn this, and you can also try to find out other situations. So dear students, there is homework for you. This is homework number 4. You will make 5 fill in the blanks from chapter 10 and topic 1. So from topic 1, you will make 5 fill in the blanks. So this is your homework. Homework from chapter 10, lesson about topic number 1, you will make 5 fill in the blanks by yourself. So dear students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood our today's topic. All of you will go through your lesson or topic number 1, and then we will make 5 fill in the blanks. You will do your homework regularly and submit it on every Saturday from 9 am to 3 pm. So that, dear students, see you again. Allah Hafiz.